What if I told you that AI could help you learn better and not just work faster? That it could actually help you sharpen your ideas and not just spit out answers. That is what this course is about. This is a crash course on how to use AI like a pro. To learn faster, think deeper, and to get your time back. Not just learning the tools, but to give you the skills to be future ready, so you can stay ahead in school, work, and life. A little bit about me. My name is Brandon, and I've spent the last couple decades of my life helping students improve in school and building their executive function skills. I've worked with students and professionals at every level who felt stuck, scattered, and behind. Thousands of students later, I've learned what works. More importantly, I've learned to teach in a way that sticks. This course pairs best practice strategies from neuroscience with artificial intelligence. We've observed that when students learn how they learn, they not only get better grades, but they become more confident and independent. And that's what I'm here to teach. This is a course that teaches you how to think and collaborate with AI, and not just copy and paste your way through a paper. We dig into how to use AI, how to use it ethically, and how not to lose your creativity even when it becomes more intelligent. You'll learn transferable skills like how to ask better questions to get a better output. You'll also learn how to organize your thinking and use AI to improve your creativity rather than relying on it. This course is for students who want to stay ahead in a world where the tech is changing quickly. Especially if you've ever thought, I don't know where to start, this is it. Start here. This course is broken into quick sections with short videos, cheat sheets, and activities that you can apply immediately. And if you ever get stuck or curious, don't hesitate to reach out. I respond to every email, every single one. Here's a quick tip. Before you hit submit, ask yourself, would I be comfortable explaining this process to a teacher or boss? If the answer is no, you probably didn't learn the way you think you did. You will be challenged to reflect, revise, and to think critically. Not with tests, but with real questions and feedback that helps you connect AI to your life. By the end of this, you'll be more confident, more curious, and more in control of the tech instead of the other way around. Let's build that future-ready mindset together.